Watching this video to the end could change your life today. So please do. I want you to give yourself 5 minutes today. Doesn't need to be more than that. Literally go, sit down, and imagine that all of the burdens people have put on you your entire life, the shoulds. You should be this. You should act a certain way. It's improper for you to do X, Y, Z. Imagine in those 5 minutes, none of that has ever formed part of who you are right now. What would you be? Who would you be? If you could be just whoever you need and want to be, who would you be? Think about that for 5 minutes today. And then start making those little changes in everyday life and move yourself towards the person you are destined to be. This is a lot of the work that I do, is to get people to this point. But you can do it for yourself in 5 minutes. Do that today and let me know what revelations come to you. I wish you a beautiful day. Let your beautiful soul just shine on this world. I love you.